Try one more time. How many minutes do I have left? 17. Oh good, I'm gonna need all of them. My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the Mancro anti-theft backpack. I actually just bought this online for a little trip I have coming up, and today is my birthday, so happy birthday to me. Well, actually, today's not my birthday, this week is my birthday, so, you know, by the time you see this, yesterday will have been my birthday. So, happy birthday to me. I decided to buy myself, I am a giant backpack person, and I don't know about you, but I love taking backpacks on, you know, vacations with me. When I go, obviously when I go hiking, you've seen me hike with them, you've seen me bike with them, you've seen me walk around with them, and I just love taking backpacks with me wherever I go. So this is a perfect addition to my backpack family that I have going on here. So I just thought I would buy something like this. Let's take a look at some of the Amazon features that it says. It's got the longest name possible, if possible. It's called the Mancro Anti-Theft Business Laptop Backpack with USB port. Fits a 15.6-inch laptop. I just wanted that for my MacBook Pro so I can edit these videos on the go. And it's slim for travel. I wanted a slimmer one. Right now I have what's known as like the Swiss company backpack. I forget the name of it. I'll have to post it below, but it's just a Swiss backpack that I bought a long time ago from Sam's Club, and it's huge. It's 12 inches wide. So I was looking for something just a little slimmer to fit against my back better. And so I bought this one. It's 7 inches. So that's why I bought it. It's for its slimability. It says it could fit a MacBook, which is what I need it for. School computer bag for women and men by Mancro. And it is in slate gray is what this is called. So I don't know if it's slate gray, more like a lighter gray. So we'll have to open it up and see what it's about. So let's see some of the features of this backpack. Again, not a sponsor. It says that it is a stylish backpack, good for a gift. It has one separate laptop compartment, holds a 15-inch laptop. It has a combination lock, multi-purpose and factional, and the USB port. I bought it for a couple reasons. So it's supposed to have a USB port on the side, and you can kind of see that here, where you can plug inside like a USB bank for power, and then just have your phone on the outside, you know, to charge it while you're on the go. And I think that's great for, you know, when I'm hiking and whatnot. I think this is going to be a good backpack, but I bought this mostly for travel because it's anti-theft and whatnot. So let's go ahead and open it and we'll see what's inside. So it comes exactly like this. It just comes in a sealable bag. So I think you don't even have to tear it or take a knife to it or anything. And I just bought this off of Amazon. I think it was a Black Friday deal, so I've had it in my closet for a little bit. It's a Black Friday deal. I bought it for about $22. So it comes with, this kind of fell out of the bag, and this just looks like a little combination lock. I don't know if you can see that there. My camera's not focusing. So, oh well. So it's just a little combination lock with 3 spinner wheels. And it looks like there's instructions on how to set it in here too. So you got a little instruction kit and a little lock set on how to lock it. And it looks like the default is set to 000, so you can see that it's unlocked there. So I always say I don't know if you could see it, and it's true. I honestly don't know if you could see it, because when I'm editing videos, sometimes it looks totally blurry and other times it's really clear. So I apologize for saying that a lot in these videos. So, but anyway, so here's what the backpack looks like. And as you can see, it's kind of that slate gray material, and you can see that it is pretty thin. Again, I have not used it yet, so I'm sure once I fill it up with stuff, it'll get pretty, you know, it'll get to the 7 inches, but for right now, it's just this little like 2-inch thing here. But let's start with the main pocket, actually. So it looks like it just has one singular main pocket here, and you can kind of see that there. Oh. Oh, cool. So it's actually got a cord for the USB port that comes out here. So here's the USB port. You can see that there. So you basically, you plug a power. So here it is on the inside of the bag, you know, so it just is this cord. So what you do is you charge up your phone bank, you know, you're not your phone bank, but you charge up your, your phone bank, you know, that has power, your power bank, and you plug this into it, and then you can just use another USB cable, just your regular USB cable, to charge your phone from this right here, from the outside of the bag. That way you don't have to, you know, reach inside the bag, try and find the power bank, you know, that type of thing. So it just fits right there. And here's the inside of the bag here. So you can see where this cord just kind of fell out. And it doesn't look like there's a separate pocket for to keep the phone bank. It's got a laptop pocket here. Let me show you this. You can see that it's all black inside, sorry. So it's got a separate pocket for your laptop, but it does not have a separate pocket for your phone bank. So you just set the phone bank in here, I guess, with this long cord, and you connect it, you know. So, I mean, that's a very nice feature. I just wish they would have had like a small pocket stitched on the side somewhere close. That way I could just slip the power bank in there and be done with it, but they don't have that going on, so, oh well, you know. Oh, they do have it actually. Here we go. So here it must be where you would keep the power bank, but it goes across the bag. So they have a little pocket here for it. And then it looks like they have another zippered pocket up here. And then just like I was showing before, they have, this is nice, very nicely padded. It's very thin on the inside, you know. I feel like even with it stretched out to the max, it's not gonna fit a lot of stuff, but it's perfect for when I travel, because I mean, what are you taking when you travel, right? Your laptop, maybe, you know, I have a bunch of external drives because I do video editing and that type of thing. Otherwise, you're not taking a lot of stuff with you when you go travel. So I just needed something small because I'm an adult and all I'm taking really is my Kindle and my laptop, and that is about it, honestly, because I don't like to take a lot of expensive things with me when I travel, just in case anything gets stolen, you know. So anyways, so yeah, that's the inside of it. So it looks like it just has the one, and this again is an open pocket here. You can see there's no zipper, and then you have a zippered pocket for like pens or pencils. It's pretty shallow, just a couple inches. And then this is a shallow pocket here too, just for the power bank. And then it's got a deep pocket that goes all the way to the bottom, you know, just the regular inside of it. And it looks like it has another thinner pocket here, right above the laptop pocket. And it's kind of bigger, it's kind of like a catch-all, probably for like cords or something. And then the very padded, you can see how thick that padding is, the pocket for your laptop. So that's really nice. And then that is it. It just has, you know, it has Mancro. I don't know if you could see that, but it's stitched in the lining. It's very nice though. And that's really the main pocket. That's everything in there. So then when it comes to the front pockets, all you have is this big one. I just unzippered it while we were talking. And it looks like it's a very typical backpack setup. You know, you have like room for like pens to fit in these little slots. And then they used to call this the calculator pocket. Nobody carries a calculator anymore. But it's got a pocket for junk that you may keep. And it's kind of got like an inner liner, you know, right here. And then it's just got this main pocket where you can stick like books or anything like that if you wanted. Probably gonna use that for my Kindle. And then it's got a small inner pocket on the outside. Again, when you're traveling or if you're going hiking, don't put anything expensive into this pocket, because let me tell you, if somebody's coming up behind you and they're trying to steal something, guess which pocket they have easy access to? This one right here. So they're just gonna reach in and take whatever they want. So I usually just like to keep pens and stuff like that on my outer pocket. That's honestly what I do. And that appears to be it. So it's got a couple side pockets here. Sorry, my dog in the background. Maybe for like a water bottle. And it's got a, oh, it's actually got a magnetic clip to clip it. So you can see that there where it kind of magnetizes. And on my old bag, I used to keep cords kind of in these pockets because they were so big. But honestly, I think this is just good for like water or for keeping your phone temporarily if you're using this USB thing right here, etc. And it's got the same thing on the other side, but it doesn't have a clip, sans clip on this side. So, but anyways, and then it's just got padded shoulder straps, which is really nice. You know, it's got these very typical webbed, I don't know if you could see that, the webbed shoulder straps where, and it's just, they're adjustable at the bottom. And then that's it. It does not have a waist strap. It does not have a chest strap because this is not really a hiking backpack. This is more for travel. So I did buy this for travel and I'm very excited to use it. So we'll have to see what it's like and what it turns out being like. What are you doing? My dog is being silly. Here she is. What are you doing? She's cold. It's cold out. Thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you like it and you want to see more like it. And if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.